Chapter 21 Conjunctions and Interjections. Let's understand. Words such as and, but and because join two sentences or two words in a sentence. These are called conjunctions. By connecting words, phrases and sentences, they allow for more natural flow in the use of language, making it easy to read and understand. Some of the most common conjunctions in the English language are and, because, but, if and so. A. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. Proper use of conjunctions. The following table shows how to use conjunctions properly. And joins two words or sentences that have a common thought. Nihal and Soham are writers. But joins two contrasting words or sentences. It is delicious, but I cannot eat it. If joins two words or sentences in order to show a condition. I will sing if you play the guitar. Or joins two words or sentences whenever there is a choice. Which sport do you want to participate in? Hockey or football? Because joins two words or sentences to show a motive for something. They cannot be here in time because they are stuck in traffic. So, joins two words or sentences to show a result of something. Androcles had saved the lion, so the lion did not attack him. Interjections. Words which express extreme positive or negative emotions are called interjections. It is easy to identify them as they always end with an exclamation mark. Examples. Wow, that is pure magic. Oh no, you lost the race again. In the first sentence above, the word wow suggests a sense of wonder and surprise. The second sentence, on the other hand, has oh no, which suggests a sense of sadness or disappointment. The following table shows how to use interjections effectively. Interjection denotes example. Hello, expression of greeting. Hello, how have you been? Hooray! Exclamation of celebration. Hooray! We won! We are the best! Hush! Expression for keeping quiet. Hush! The baby is sleeping. Oh! Expression for grief or surprise. Oh! I didn't see you come in. Ouch! Expression of pain. Ouch! My finger came in the door. What? Expression of surprise or anger. What? You won the story writing competition? Wow! Expression of surprise or appreciation. Wow! That dress looks so good on you. See in the following paragraph. Do remember that words that join two or more words and sentences are called conjunctions. And, because, but, if and so are some of the most commonly used conjunctions. Too many conjunctions in a single sentence makes it difficult to understand. Interjections express extreme emotions and feelings and always end with an exclamation mark. Chapter 22